Exercise 1.2. Example number 1. Write down a pair of integers, okay, whose number 1 sum is -3. So I written -1 plus -2 is equal to -3. You can go with any number, no problem. Difference is -5. So -9 minus -4. Minus minus becomes plus. So -9 plus 4 is equal to -5. Difference is 2. So -7 minus -2. Okay, so difference is +2. So this is minus minus becomes plus. -7 plus 9 is equal to 2. The sum is 0. You can take any number with opposite sign. I have taken -10 plus 10. So the number sum is going to be 0. Exercise 1.2, question number 1. Write down a pair of whole numbers whose sum is -7. -2 plus -5 is equal to -7. -10 plus 3 is equal to also -7. Plus of minus minus 10 minus 3 is 7. Greater number sign. You can write any number. Okay. Sum is equal to 0. So as I told you, opposite sign with same number with opposite sign. -10 plus 10 is equal to 0. Plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Difference is -10. So -5 minus 5. So -5 minus 5 minus minus become plus. It becomes -10. -20 plus 10. So plus of minus is minus. 20 minus 10 is 10. -10. Answer. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So -10 minus 2 minus 10. -2 minus -10. Minus minus becomes plus. So answer is going to be plus 8. 3 minus 11. So -3 minus -11 is equal to 8. Minus minus becomes plus. 3 plus 11 is equal to 8. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. So this is negative integer -8 plus 3. Plus of minus minus. 8 minus 3 is 5. I am going to get -5. Greater number sign -5. I want answer -5. -20 plus 15. Minus plus is minus. 20 minus 15 is -5. Write a negative integer and a positive integers whose difference is 3. So positive and negative. 4 plus -7. Plus of minus minus. 7 minus 4 is -3. -10 minus -7. Minus minus becomes plus. -10 plus 7 is equal to -3. Well, in a quiz, team A scores -40, 10 and 0. And team B scores 10, 0 and -40 in 3 successive rounds. Well, which team scored more? Can we say we can add the integers in any order? So let us take the score by team A. Score of team A is -40 plus 10 plus 0. Minus plus minus. 40 minus 10 is 30. Greater number sign, so 30. Same way, team B score. 10 minus 40 is -30. The score of both the teams are same. So we can say that yes, we can add the integers in any order. Here it is nothing. The numbers are same, but the order is changed. So we can add in any order. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. -5 plus -8 is equal to -8 plus dash. दो नंबर दिया है. So 1 is given. जे ना आप्यो હોય તે લખવાનો. -5 is not given. So I written -5. -55 plus dash is equal to -53. The answer remains the same. The identity is 0. So I am writing 0. 53 plus 0 is 53. Now the answer is 0. So opposite number 17 plus minus of 17 is equal to 0. 1 plus 12 plus 7 is equal to 13 minus 12 minus 7. So here this was as a blank. 13, 12, 7. 13, 12, 7 was not given. I have written 7. -4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equal to. This is well 4 multiplied by -4 plus 15. This is associative property. First I am going to add these two and then do this. So -4 plus 15 plus -3, or what the number which is not given, that you are going to write. Exercise 1.3. Now when we are going for multiplication and division, in addition, subtraction, we are adding or subtracting, but we are writing the sign of the greater number. But for multiplication and division, it is not so that you are going to write the sign of greater number. Right, for example, 3 multiplied by minus 1 is 3. Plus of minus minus, so directly minus. Minus 1 into 225 is minus 225. Minus 25 into 32 is 630. Minus minus becomes plus. 316 into, okay, 1 is equal to 316. Because it is minus 3 minus 1, so answer becomes minus minus is equal to plus. 15 multiplied by 0 multiplied by any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Minus 12 into 10 into 10. So I have done 11 into 10 is 110. Minus plus minus. Minus minus becomes plus. 12 into 110 is 1320. Same way. 9 3s are 27. Plus of minus minus. Minus minus becomes plus. 27 6 that is 162. So answer is 162. Same way. 18 5s are 90. Minus minus becomes plus. Multiply by minus 4. 94s are 360. Plus of minus minus. So it is minus 360. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Minus minus plus. So 1 2s are 2. Multiply by minus 3 multiply by 4. 2 3s are 6. It is minus 6. Plus of minus minus. 6 4s are 24. Minus plus is minus. So it is minus 24. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. 3 6 are 18. Minus minus becomes plus. 18 2 are 36. Plus of minus minus. 36 minus 36 into minus 1 is 36. Minus minus becomes plus. Answer is 36. Verify the following. 18 multiplied by 7 plus minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into 6. This is distributive property. 1 multiplication, 1 addition. So 18 into 7 and 18 into minus 3. So 7 plus of minus minus. 7 minus 3 is 4. 18 4s are 72. Here 18 7s are 126 plus 18 3s are 54 minus 54. Minus plus minus. So 126 minus 54 is 72. So LHS is equal to RHS. Here for any integer a, what is minus 1 multiplied by a equal to? So a into minus 1 is minus a. Determine the integers whose product is minus 1. Okay, with minus 1. So minus 22 to minus 1 is minus minus become plus 22. Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number because 1 is the multiplicative identity. 37 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 37. 0 minus 1 is 0. Multiply by minus 1. Okay. Starting from 1 into 5. Write various products showing same pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. It is nothing but 5 minus 5 plus 1. Okay, it becomes minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is 0. So we can say minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, or minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Any doubt? Please ask me.